Greetings traders, this is Dez and this is the weekend edition. This weekend edition is good through Sunday, June 29th, 2014, and we, for the most part, have taken a hit for the week. Friday we had a bullish activity. First thing I want to share with you guys, a couple stocks. We do a stock picks V newsletter. V stands for video. It's a video based stock picks V newsletter with also stock picks for the bull and bear side. Here's a couple of our big winners. You want to write these down. AKRX was up 9% this week. Looking at a daily chart, this thing has been on fire. We've been down here at $21. Now we're at $31, and this was on our bull list. Another one on our bull list was MEI. This one was up over 13%. We were down here around $27. Right now we're at $37 area. Very, very nice percentage gain in the last couple months. And another one that we have, SLB. This one, again, I'm holding some of these. I'm in my personal account, so there's a disclosure. This is my favorite stock out there right now. This dude has been on fire. We're at $90. Now we're up here at $118, closing at the day's high on Friday. Just up, and away. Really, really cool. Super cool. Love it. And that is not an endorsement to buy this because I am holding it. I'm just letting you know that's the skinny on that stock. Anyway, here's the S&P 500 daily. Up, had a rising wedge. We started to break down. Now that support area is acting as resistance, but we're chopping around above the EMAs. Those are exponential moving averages, which are very, very bullish when you stay above those. So I do not want to by any means say that this is bearish. However, we are sloping over. We do have a bearish divergence on the daily. Worse, on the weekly chart on the S&P 500, we're up. We have a doji now. That's a reversal pattern. It looks like we're about ready to get a down leg. I could certainly see the beginnings of that the next few weeks. Now, let's go over here to the Dow. This is the Dow. We had this ascending triangle. We broke out of it, come up, building a high base. That's bullish. That is bullish. But if it starts to drop, I can certainly see that happening. On the daily chart, you have this double top, M for murder, and we're building a low base, trying to find support at the 20-day moving average. And again, make sure you blow this chart up to full screen on your monitors so you can watch this in high definition. Definitely blow this thing up. So Dow could be in trouble. If we look here at the NASDAQ weekly chart, this is the NASDAQ weekly chart. I mean, we're at a 14-year high on the NASDAQ. It's just been on fire. We got past this resistance area, but we're very extended on the weekly chart. It's begging to pull back, almost have a hanging man type reversal pattern. If you go here to the daily chart, we were in this nice trend. You'll see this nice uptrend. We couldn't get back to this resistance. Now we're on the wrong side of it. Now this line should be acting as resistance. And, but we're staying above these EMAs. Very, very impressive. The Russell daily, we're in an uptrend. As long as we stay between these two blue lines, that's really bullish. As long as we can do that. On the weekly chart, though, here's the problem. We drop. We rally. We're at a resistance line here coming across. It's kind of a dragonfly type, hanging man type doji here. I could certainly see the next few weeks being bearish. So it's something that we're watching for. Here's the financials. What's interesting with the financials, we had this rising wedge. It did break down. We have this bear pullback. Now this is on a weekly chart. Now check this out. I'm going to draw a Fibonacci here. And we're pausing at the 61.8. If we do start to drop there, this could be a sizable drop going into the future. Next few months could just be hugely bearish. This is very important for us to get past the 61.8 area on the weekly chart. It has to happen. If you're looking here on the daily chart, we popped up, pulled back. We can't get past this area of resistance, and we're going in a trading range. This trading range is going sideways, and we have the rising 20-day. Now, normally the rising 20-day moving average should act as a trampoline. You should get a nice bounce here. I'm waiting for this bounce. It needs to happen again. If not, the markets are in dire trouble. We need to bounce going into next week big time. This is such an important video. People have to watch this. Share the video. Anyway, a little side note, I forgot to show you this. We also do a bearish list, and on our bear list, WTW, and this is on our stock picks, this one has dropped WTW, and that was down 6% for the week. We were up here around $25. Now we're at $20, and certainly more downside opportunity here. Take advantage of the Stock Pick V newsletter. We do this each week. And take a look at gold here. Gold had just a stellar couple weeks, man. Just boom to the upside, building a high base. Gold looks really, really strong. Looking for a high base breakout. Look for an opportunity to buy. Silver, we've got up. No base here. Look for a pullback on silver. I see that being a pullback. And if you take a look here, Apple here is a beautiful bull flag. You can see we bounced off to 38.2, heading higher, finding resistance at the 25% Fibonacci. A lot of buying opportunity there on the weekly chart. High base, have a hammer, looking for upside potential. Apple could be a buy. Amazon, look at this, a nice bull flag pulling back to a trend line. Really nice area to buy on Amazon. Facebook in an uptrend, we need it to pull back. And we have, let's see, Google is nice rally. We just need a pullback here on Google. And then we go here to GoPro is an IPO, just come out, nice pop. And this was up 14%, but much more than that, like up 30+% on Friday. So what I'm waiting for is a little bit of a pullback and look for an entry on this. LinkedIn, nice high base. Look for an entry on a breakout on that one. Facebook is up and away. I probably could have bought that on Friday, missed that opportunity because it looks like it's ready to head higher. Netflix, same thing, a buying opportunity if and only if it breaks higher here. And Twitter, just kind of had this high base breakout, and we could see upside potential. It took a breather on Friday. So there we are. Definitely when you come over here to the website, pull this up so you guys can see this. Go to the website here, and down here go to Stock Picks V newsletter. Check that out, and you can trade along with us. Make some money out there. There's a ton of money to be made out there. You just got to be in the right stocks at the right time. We can guide you in that. Take care and very safe trading.